Na diu niki
page K
18 sorry page 17 na diu niki diu no henagia president rimwe tondu riri Teru president yathire Kirinyaga akiuga ati andu akahwa mareri hagona thiko ithano agakie riu arari kuria nithi arauga ati andu ni marihitwo ene migunda nigetha ndaraca yako kuracoka kuraumira andu 28 maruga ni maheni niyo tutiri arihe.
As a president yigiri ati ritareke jigwe president we have allocated 7 billion for Nithi Bridge and the contractor is already on site. We have also concluded the compensation process and work is ongoing. Ruwa ya mara igatiriri 28 landowners affected by the have been ordered to surrender
their land to the government within 15 days under an array entry process even as they await compensation. Hare rwatia president arauga ni arihe
araiga hwebia jige 7 billion
ado ni mabe mariho bia ciao
haya
project etana thina mbere
tondu ndienda go take side ya rugano ruru ri kama uri taigura harero atiriri. However, the National Land Commission invoked section 120/2 of the land allowing the state to take possession of private land before compensation where delaying acquisition would be contrary to the public interest.
Makoria kiuria atiriri Njoroge
nigwa NLC raiga atiriri nire watho umitikiretie kuya mugunda ihuthire yetereire andu marihu.
How come the government has funds to pay the contractor yet there is no clear budget for landowners?
I agree with you na ndakwira atiriri Kamau president Ugo Waiga ni atengera kuga kwena bia na andu akugo matiguanire ni mekuriho na mekuriho atia
koguo ri maruga atiriri ni gari handu ni handu aya ngithoma ngatheti marihwo bia cia ndaracetana akuo umenye kuna bia cia contractor no gutire mbeca cia ene tiri ene mugunda mbeca ni ironeka cia maundu mangi no cia mugunda ri mwene mugunda haria ndaraca no irakuo ri cia geikaga ni atia Njoroge
tathikiriria he mundu ungi witagwo Pauline wako the officials did not provide clear timelines for payment material mekuriho kaida kaigana atia Kamau aikora ndu mekuriho na bia cio cia kuriho ri
munene wake na
president atari aranirira ri
madu matebe
madu mekagirwo riri
ruma undu tamani moonaga andu makirakario ni
ndirakwira atiriri taru ngikora na mundu tamaina kama ndari kone we haha ri andu magirambire gwikwa atia
kurihwo
mwabe murihwo na mwitikire kurihwo na munengerwo biacara njigire account mucoke murehe title deed cianyu
one president agicoka kwanirira ri already nyu muri arihe ni murikanete ruo kaga kuga mbere andu makarakara akatuna bicia we page 17
ukuratikatire mahenete notice kuri kwena matianianire notice cia array entry kuri andu ya 28 a migunda matarihitwo tondu in May ni a publishire notice ya compulsory acquisition
haya
tondu migunda rero yo kama uri ni migunda 65 na nita ekathate farafara yo hari gwakwo ri ketukoro tuna details ici kuratikatire metagwatia NLC ri mane ani notice ya kindu gitagwo compulsory acquisition taru kama uthirikari ngenda kuthira mugunda waku ri
no yo weke hinya na indihe andu ni marihwo
na heane notice koguo thirikari ni yahenire notice ni akiwa mugunda ucio ni kuoya na ni icigo kana ni parcels ni ki
ni chuje
cia mugunda ciothe cia itheniro ka eka 35
Njoroge atiriri
eka 65
atiriri kuna bia cia contractor no gutire ciena mugunda ene mugunda mena kihoto kia mariho tiri wao
tiga kihoto
ni
thirikari eke atiriri yabe irihe andu itanajia gwaka ki
itigwo tigo hau ru president athire kuga ati eno tareka tuone bicha andu megukena muno hau mande kwa wira kuria Nakuru ne Governor Susan Kihika a health care worker celebrates after Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika confirmed 444 county health employees on permanent and pensionable terms at the Nakuru County headquarters in Milimani yesterday. The move is expected to strengthen health